This is pangolin, nature's most mysterious creatures found in Africa and Asia. They are covered in unique scales, made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails, which keeps them safe from predators. When they feel threatened, they curl up into a tight ball, making it hard for lions and tigers to hurt them. Pangolins eat ants and termites and can easily find their homes because of their good sense of smell. Sadly, pangolins are in danger because people are cutting down their forests and hunting them illegally. Some believe their scales and meat have special powers. Let's come together to save the pangolins and make sure these amazing animals can keep living in the wild for many years to come.